So hear me out, right? My room is a mess. The chaotic of Christmas, Thanksgiving, everything. My room has literally become the dumping ground. I'm trying to build myself up because I'm tired and I gotta go to work.
Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and I'll call me after? Can you hate on me and ask you with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need you, man.
Go, baby, at last till my body's so the greatest thing, baby. I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body.
Yo, I swear to you, these clothes are clean. They just were on my bed and they got thrown on the floor because I needed space. So I'm gonna refold these, put them back on my bed, finish with the laundry, organize, and hopefully I can get everything away today. Hopefully that's my goal. Let's get these out.
it together. Get it together. Get it together. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that job. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gonna electric. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turtle little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'm a fuck of friends and send them back to metro housing. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chop. Yeah, yeah. I pop out, get ghosts on the bitch, you don't know where I went. They follow my dogs, all my niggas behind the fence. Dripping in it, I'm spilling in it, new designer gear by coaster. Pay attention to the detail, going two-tone on Joker. Young niggas always ready to murder, some call them smokers. Young nigga had motion on, make sure the car gets hit a 360. Windmill when I left the seat. That's that action, her best work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash, too sexy for this serve, too sexy for these pills. I'm too sexy for this. I get cash wherever I fly, got bitches sexing on me. Money, cars, and all the jewelry make a bit of sense. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chop. Yeah, I'm sexy, count, fitty, wanna get it, got spaghetti, this paper, I shred it, I sweat it, no sweating, I saw you begging, God damn you pretty, I ain't done spinning, no pin, that's Spanish, bags in that, my man ain't gon' steal it, but my bags for these young hoes, they was rich, the green gators, they look like a switch, Georgia, yo, I spent 26 niggas,
Okay, so I normally don't have to do my TV as often. Excuse me, I'm trying to fix it for you guys. But I usually don't have to clean my TV as often. But my boys come in my room, and for some reason, I don't know why they touch my TV, but they do. So I clean that off every once in a while, more so dust the back and everything. My room doesn't take that long. As long as I collect trash, kind of like my sons. I see where they get it from. So I more so collect a little bit of trash and their clothes. So far we did pretty good. Like, things are away. What I have to do is my closet, but I'm gonna do a part 2 on that to tackle inside there, which isn't too bad. It's just more so putting the clothes away that I did today and hanging them up. Okay, so I got a little later. The sun went down. I got most of my stuff done. The room is complete. I'm still doing laundry. Lord knows when I'll get that finished. But the good thing is that I did put the clothes away. Except mine's are in the closet. Now I'm laying down, trying to relax a little bit before I get in the shower and go to work tonight. But thank you for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the good things. And I'll see you next time.